Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the air filter replacement on a 2022 Is350 F Sport. Very simple. Pop open the hood, and then the filter that we're going to be using, you can get this one at your auto parts store. It's going to be Sam Alpha 10996. So right here is our air filter housing. We have 4 tabs. So the way how you pop these tabs out, 1, 2, you pull these back, same thing right here. And then you're just going to kind of wiggle it up a little bit. You don't need to wiggle up too much. And then you'll kind of, can you pull that, Penny?
Yeah.
Just pull it right on out. Thank you. Filter's not really that dirty. Let's see, Penny. Show us the other way. All right. So not too dirty, but you know, this one comes with a little shred. You want to put that one in for us?
Yeah.
So the way how we're going to go ahead and put it, we're just going to go ahead and, no, let it go sit in. See, you let it close too soon. Let's fix that, and then we're gonna go ahead and push that. There you go. Thank you, Penny.
You're welcome.
And so we'll go ahead and make sure that the housing is seated in properly. Make sure that once you clip this guy down, look all the way around, and that looks like everything is seated in properly. So we'll do one right over here. So the technique for these guys is, if it's not seated in right, then basically you won't be able to clip it. So I kind of pull up on these guys, or you can actually push in the center of this, and you kind of use a little finessing. Now do on opposite sides. So right there, we'll do that, and then same thing over here. Once you do the last 2, they'll be a lot more easier. And that's pretty much it. So the key is to do opposite sides. So when you do the last 2, it'll make it a lot more easier. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.